What's up, guys? I'm Dakota. This is my 2.5 RS, dub name White Girl. Why White Girl? Because I'm going to be doing the most basic mods ever to this thing. I'll take you through a little walkthrough of the car, what I'm going to be doing with it over the next couple of weeks to turn it into a pretty awesome track car. So this actually isn't my first 2.5 RS. My previous one was dub named the Bomb. It was a 05 STI swap. It was a really fun car. Did a lot of events with it. Did some hoonigan stuff. Some racing in Mexico. That was a fun car, but life happened, adult things. I sold it and I bought a house. I found this car. It was sitting underneath a tree. Previous owner neglected it a lot. And picked it up really cheap, and I just want to show everyone my road to restoring it, making it a fun, streetable, trackable, daily drivable track car. Funny thing is, as you can see, there's no engine in it now, but before I put it in storage last fall, it was running, driving. Took it to work a few times, but I found someone to buy the engine. I decided I'm going to put my own engine together. I've never actually done it before, so we'll see how it happens. The reason why I call this a basic build is because it's going to have a WRX engine rather than the preferred STI engine, and that's because the STI engine is really expensive. The WRX engine, you can have one shipped to your door as a full long block without a turbo or intake and exhaust for $800. So for me, it makes more sense. It's going to be cheaper, it's going to be a little less power, but in the long run, I'd rather have something that I don't want any downtime with. I don't want any super expensive parts I need to find. I just want something that's basic. I can throw parts at it quick, get it running, back on track, back on the road, and not have to deal with all the headaches. Today I'll be jacking it up, giving it a good wash down on the undercarriage. I've got a capture nut on the passenger side that needs to be welded back in. It snapped off while I was removing the transmission. I'll be pressure washing the engine bay a little bit here, pressure washing all the junk underneath, and then removing the rear subframe so we can put a WRX subframe in for a different diff. Alright, so I got it all pressure washed. It's in the garage. Still kind of setting everything up in here. It's a mess. Random broken WRX parts laying around from previous part outs and builds and what have you. You may be saying to yourself, wow, this thing is pretty rough. It's missing a lot of stuff. Is it even worth it? As of right now, I have about $1,600 into everything, and that may seem like a lot, but that's just not for this car. That includes basically everything I need to get this car back on the road. So I'll kind of be going over that in the next video. I'm going to lay everything out in the garage, get it all cleaned up in here, and then show you guys everything I have to get this thing back on the road. It's going to be a fun build. I'm going to try to do it rather quickly. Probably be up a lot of late nights trying to get this thing done. Hopefully I can film as much as possible. Pretty new to the filming. Bear with me if I don't get everything or I don't get exactly what everyone's looking for. I'm sure the internet will tell me if I'm doing something wrong or you guys want to see more. So tune in next time, next episode. Like, subscribe, check out my other pages, and we'll go from there.